we have these two terms, macronutrients and micronutrients. So can you explain what that means? What the good carbs are and how much we should eat? So is it better to have complex?
Yes.
So brown rice would be complex
Absolutely,
carbohydrate.
yeah. See, it's a better version because I think it's...
Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Vani Sundarapandian, Medical Director of Jananam Fertility Center. And I have with me today a very special guest, Dr. Kowsalya Nathin, who is a lifestyle management and nutrition consultant. Hi, Kowsalya.
Hi, ma'am.
I'm a fertility specialist, so almost on a daily basis, I get patients asking me what the best food is to improve their fertility. So today, we have decided to have a nourishing conversation on food and fertility. The first question is, when I read about fertility, we have these two terms, macronutrients and micronutrients. So can you explain what that means?
Yeah. See, macronutrients are the basic ingredients in food, which probably comes with us from 6th standard biology books, where we talk about the protein, the carbohydrate, and the fat ratios.
Okay.
So these are the main macronutrients. Micronutrients are the hidden nutrients, which are the essential nutrients, like the minerals, the vitamins, the different salts, in the food that we get, which is very important in the basic and the finer functionality of individuals.
Sure. Okay. So coming to carbs, carbohydrates. Nowadays we feel we shouldn't be eating much carbs. And everybody tells us, watch your carbs, watch your carbs. So can you tell us about what refined carbohydrates are, what complex carbohydrates are, what the good carbs are, and how much we should eat?
Yeah. So there's basically only simple and complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate are like partially digested or fully digested or already in the form of sugar, like the white sugar that we talk about. That's a simple form of a sugar or a carbohydrate. The complex is like which we need to break down. The body has to break down with the glycemic index and the load, which again varies with individual component of the food, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They're all complex carbohydrate.
So by whole grains, do you mean, what is white rice?
So white rice, the polished rice that we actually eat, like a raw rice that we call it in the local terms.
Pacharisi.
Pacharisi.
Okay.
So that's something which is the carbohydrate factor. Same thing with maida as well, which is like a refined also. It's all super refined or ultra refined flours or also into the carbohydrate.
So is it better to have complex?
Yes.
So brown rice would be complex
Absolutely,
carbohydrate.
yeah. See, it's a better version because I think it's whole and it's got the fiber in it and the glycemic index and the load varies from the different kind of carbohydrate component in it, and the absorption also is slow, gradual, and you don't immediately feel hungry, within half an hour, or there's no craving. Usually there's a sugar craving or the carb craving. So these kind of complex carbohydrate prevents or inhibits or reduces the cravings that we experience.
Basically, when somebody is trying to kind of lose weight, it's better to go for brown rice because they tend to feel full for a longer period of time.
Yeah. Brown rice or hand pound rice is even better.
Okay.
So
what is hand pound rice in Tamil?
Hand pound rice is kaikuttal arisi.
Okay.
See, that was in the villages that we usually see, which is made at home. They make it at home, kaile avanga arichu and edupanga. So that's something has got a good, glycemic, low glycemic index.
Plant protein is better than animal protein when it comes to fertility. But
dal is a very important component.
Right. Okay.
Namakku 5th month le parangala weaning. That's a unique form of protein and fat. Omega 3 very end food lime